bro. Pick it up, pick it up. Pick it up, promote me. Let me be a party leader. You have to back out. Oh, there it is, there it is. What? Why you leave? You can let it. Man, you know how to join and you just play too much, bro. You know how to join and you lie. Alright, Eddie Murphy. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Say 2 or something. 2 or 3. Alright. We're gonna see. We'll be right there, okay? We ain't going nowhere. We're gonna be over there and you're gonna be there, so we gonna see. Yo, stop inviting people, bro. No. Stop inviting people. We start already. What are you doing? Why do that? Get out! I'm trying to look my chill out, Ernesto. What? What? Ini solan ke biar fit tu gua. Breed. Here it is. Yeah, right. That's the 13 kills. Yeah. Yeah, bro, you tripping, bro. Reboot Island. Oh my God, you a bitch. I didn't see that guy. He killed him. Damn right, son. Oh, now I'm pissed off. Everybody gonna die. Oh, you killed somebody? Oh, you didn't even kill somebody, bro. Chill. Oh, there you go, there you go. I see you, bro. That's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. Oh, whoa. Chill out now. We're coming. Eh, fuck. Yo, how the fuck I only get... Yo. I gotta kill. I gotta kill. I gotta kill, baby. Gotta kill him. That's 5 kills. 5 kills on tag. Adios, Ernestine. Bro, what you talking about, bro? We're live. I cannot lie. Jealous? What the fuck you talking about? I'm jealous. Nah, you funny though. Let's go up our... Oh, somebody's right there, right there. There's only one guy. Come and help me, bro. Fucking around. Hey, right there. Damn, if you come with me. Just wait, what the hell? Alright, you don't want to play as a team, that's what it is. Something good, the fuck? Yeah, right. Yeah. Nice. That guy killed him. He made a nice move for our team. Chill the hell out. Yeah, right. Little monkey, motherfucker. Alright. Yes. Yeah, right. How you doing? No, don't do that. You're gonna make me leave. Don't do that. You're gonna make me leave, bro. Alright, I'm gonna leave. You wanna do that? No, fuck that. I don't wanna deal with that stupid little kid shit.
Fucking fear for nothing.
Deploying shortly. Playtime's over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone. Squads active in the field.
What's up, gang?
Survive to redeploy fallen teammates. Kill to bring them back faster. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. Time for vengeance. You're redeploying. for indicated location.
They're on the bottom. Fuck, nobody talk, you guys suck. Shut the fuck up till you die, motherfucker. Motherfucker ain't talk till they die, bitch ass. I'm done with this shit, fuck that, I'm gonna go play my shit. My shit, fuck you, Ernest, stop inviting me, bitch.
Yo, Mr. Gang.
Hell no, you ain't gonna play with me.
Come on.
No, you thought you gonna play with me, bro. Hey, you ain't gonna play with me, motherfucker.
Let me join.
Well, now you're getting blocked.
No.
$25 minutes is crazy. That's too fast.
much time left. Put this to bed.
No, we got the bomb, bro. Gotta blame that shit, bro. You gotta blame that shit, nigga. Fuck. Plant him. Right there on the left side. Next to you, left side. I'm talking to you, Isan. Right on the left side, motherfucker. Left side. Right there. On the right side now. Right side now. Fucking stupid.
Enemy has disarmed the bomb. Not your best.
Damn, 1-3. Where the fuck are I doing this, bro? Why another full match, man? Fuck. Like.
Hostile spotted.
Alright, guys, let's do it. Code change.
One fugitive remains. Terminate with extreme pressure.
Please, let me finish him. Whoa, 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 bro. What the fuck? After I switched that, it was kind of like...
Tenga.
Hey, on the bomb! Are you serious? Are you serious? That's it.
Disarming the bomb.
Let me get in.
Activated.
Slipping on the corner.
The enemy's on their back foot.
Slipping in the corner. This is gonna be a combat with 0 kills.
Y no me dieron el kill cam, qué porquería de juego esta.
Hardcore search and destroy.
Cállate la bomba.
There you go. Mem das Wacken gerade gelungen. Hey, close. Mem Wacken gerade nicht.
Entre bro.
TC's nearly dry. Get serious, Crimson.
Oh my god. I ain't joining no more. Damn. No bueno, no bueno. No bueno, no bueno. Puta madre, no bueno.
Ay, señor.
Tiene 3-2 y quiere matar más.
Hide, hide.
Ay, ay, ay.
Tranquilo, tranquilo. Ay, 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 ay.
Están en los expones.
Ain't no way, bro.
Todos se mataron uno y los mismos.
Tranquilo, tranquilo, tranquilo.
Time's nearly up. Close it down. Enemy device is set.
Ah, la ve.
There's only one missing left. Eliminate them.
La esquina.
Using the bomb.
Al otro,
Bravo! Bravero, bravo! Nice, nice. Good job.
Yeah.
Search and destroy. Destroy the objective.
Hey, what the fuck? Like, are you serious? Like, what kind of fucking gun is that? Like,
La parte de atrás.
Time short. As your head down and secure the target.
Luego está por el roto por ahí. Uy.
Failures not
Ay, mi Dios.
better.
damn, that's why. The fuck are you
El
thermal?
mal. Ay.
Puta madre. Thermal.
Search and destroy.
Fucking thermal motherfucker. Fuck.
Objective.
Motherfucker. Watch out, watch out, watch out. There's spawn. One. Uno. Uno. Oh, left. Oh, what? Fuck, I gotta go up. Need to be on the top 30. Yeah. Fabulous. Okay, let's go. Yes.
Arriba, mano.
Mira eso. Están en los spawns de ellos.
MTC's nearly dry. Get serious, Crimson.
Adiós, señorita. Ta.
Hostile shooter.
Familo. Hey, Coach, we deserve to win. Go put your gloves. Coach, we deserve to win, bro. Yes. Yes. Hey, he's right there, bro. Oh, bro, how the fuck you missed that motherfucker? Yo, 2 left. 2v2. 2v2, bro. Oh my god, no puta madre, bro. Oh my god! ¡Ay!
En la parte de atrás.
No sniper. Oh! Oh, yeah. Good game. Almost. Yes, sir.
do these, guys.
What's that? What's this? Where's Susan?
That's your mom.
Oh, hi, Daddy. What?
Rolling, oh, where are the papers?
Hardcore search and destroy. Guns up. Destroy the objective.
I got this. Daddy. Hi. I saw you. I do like this. And then you push it. I saw you. Hi. I'm not scared. Say louder. I cannot hear. I cannot hear. Let's say something. I cannot find this one. Bro, I cannot find Ow! I cannot find this one. Let's say something.
Time's not on our side. Get it safe.
I got say something.
One enemy dead. Find them. End them.
Back lane down to that top left corner. Yep, right there. That's through the whole match.
Fuck it, bro.
Can't see that either.
Hardcore search and destroy.
Let me spell my noise on my mom. Where's this one? Stop! I hate you. Suicide? You got that?
Hostiles have planted the bomb.
Bus.
Your last chance. Don't fuck this up.
Alright, sorry guys, I'm back at it. Back at it. Oh shit, the fuck? I'm late. Wait. As soon as I'm back, I'm fucking kicked out. That's nice. Crazy pot likes. Devin.
You saw the girl right here from Charger.
Okay, share. I charge your phone. Look, I'm the one to charge your phone. Hey, come use your phone. You're gonna make me take your phone back. Why you don't like your phone? Bring charger with it.
I'm done, Charger.
Need more. I'm waiting for him, for them. Man, but what the hell is wrong with this? What's up? What's up? Building. What's up, building? I'm waiting for these guys to opt off so I can play with them. Please, bro, why did these guys lock it, bro? This scare lock them up. Yeah, look at them, bro. What's up, yo?
I want to go right there. I like it. Okay. It's look, you.
You know where I'm going with her. Alright, that's it. I'm going with them. You're the real players. No, they just started. Fuck. I was kinda late. Let me check the chat. It says I'm gonna join in a minute. Alright. Alright. No. How you doing?
Yeah. Or you leave it. Okay. My head.
What the fuck? I just joined earlier.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I forget.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, I don't know that. 30. Nice one. Well, I can't do this for you, okay? I'm not done. I almost went well. Okay, done. Done, Ethan. It's done. Look. Look, Ethan. That's good.
We're switching to the different one.
You dark and then cool. I can make you cool. It's kind of like rainbow. Unicorn. Stop it!
Alright, we're in the real shit. Let me see the comments. Let me see the comments. Let me see the comments. Man, I'll be in. Oh, that's the same comments. Just duplicated. Just duplicated. Yo, 691. 3700 to save you. Activatious, what's up, man? Let's be friends. Get it on the floor, get it on the floor. He's on me, he's on me.
What?
Wala ako
I've never seen that finisher before.
Oh shit! No way.
That's cool.
That's disrespect.
One back here at their spawn, he's laying down.
Looking right through A. Back in their spawn, one's on top. We're laying down right over that tango. Laying down right there somewhere.
Oh, I'm gonna kill this guy up here. There's two at top A. To your left, Tango. There was one in there. Oh, you see him.
At B already?
Huh? I'm dead, bro.
Whoa, Rambo! Rambo is in the building, good. Yo, active. Did 691 have a mic or something? No? You say haha. This mean yes?
Laying down on the backs, their spawn in that garage, left side.
Damn, motherfucker almost killed me, bro.
Oh, shit. One v three, bro. Got this, poo poo. Oh shit.
Fuck.
Poo poo. Oh poo poo.
I ain't no pui pui, bro. I'm Kosraean.
Oh, you Kosraean?
My brother, my
Is it
brother.
What's that at? Kashalele? Kashalelia?
No, it's a sleeping lady.
Oh,
It's a
that's
sleeping
Paul.
lady.
Oh shit, that's Paul. Oh shit. I'm trying to figure out what to say.
Kulal Malalab.
Yo, where's Kosraean?
That's how. It's far away from most of Micronesian
Is that
Island.
Micronesia?
It's far away from all the Micronesian Island. Right next to the equator. Huh?
Yeah, you guys know how Miss Kurabuti was in that island pageant thing? How come y'all didn't send y'all one?
We have the same non-metal din Bunnabean sa ating Kushai.
Well, these
The
folks
same
are
marine.
hiding their spawn, bro. Got a trip mine over proxies over here.
Who we
Right there.
ran around.
There was one back there.
Oh, he got me from. I was on freaking
Our
egg.
spawn?
Yeah, you're there. Yeah.
Found him. Found that fucking rat. Yo,
I'm better than me.
Yo, Kushai is bigger than Marshall Island. Do you know that?
yeah, it is.
You got waterfall and all that. Oh shit! I almost died on that stupid ass trail.
Right there, can
Oh,
you
no. We're on A side.
Oh yeah.
He moved.
They got him.
There's two. Oh no, he's up here now. He went inside A building. He's upstairs.
What the fuck, bro? He's on the bomb, bro. Oh, nobody's there no more. What the fuck, bro?
Yeah. You have to like do it at an angle for it to work though.
Yeah, I just planted inside the building.
There's that fucking rat.
What? Well, I got one plan. 2 kills, that's a good number.
We center of their spawn.
Oh, one's in the
and
spawn
one
already. Last one.
Take digging the boat apparently.
Damn, cool.
Good try, babe.
You're gonna have a rough night.
Not the big black one again.
Excuse me.
Oh, right now on the stairs. Face on.
Oh, he's laying on it.
Fuck.
That's 30 move right there, bro. Yo, I choked the fuck out of him, bro. Look, look, look. I choked the shit out of him, bro.
You sound like he's on fucking welfare.
Yo. Yo, I'ma post that shit on TikTok, bro. I'ma post that shit on TikTok, no cap. I choked the shit out of that dude.
2016.
What map we going here?
Hotel.
Motel? Holiday Inn?
Can't say.
As long as Allah Akbar ain't there. Fuck yeah. Hotel. Your whole
No, not a fucking chance. Nice spawn killing AFKs.
Okay.
What a joke.
You mom? Yeah, you baby. Okay. Wait. I tried color. I cannot change color. I don't like that.
What's up? What's up?
Oh, 1v4, bro.
Ow! Ow! It's not working. Wait, I need the paper. Let's do this one. Wait, not yet, okay? Okay, do it again. Look, join. Look. Nothing. No, nothing. Join.
Wow, touches. Oh, we got him. 3-2.
What? But it's not working. Here. Bye. Stop doing that. Sam.
2 up, bro.
Oh. Okay,
My bad.
All good.
I was trying to edit a video. I just finished 3 motherfuckers.
2-1.
That's it?
Yeah.
Damn. You don't need me. Nice. Damn, that's dirty. I'll see you, Alan.
No way. Watch out, he's up there on the balcony.
Damn, how many codes should I shot?
One left.
Wait, I take already. Huh? I take already. Come. Over there. Let me show you. Huh? I get ready? Yeah, I get ready. I get ready.
Upstairs, huh?
Wait, where have we got such a lot? You go right there.
Damn,
You go
bro.
right there. You kick already? Yeah. Look,
Hey, I got the kill anyway, fuck it.
You always make me feel that.
Just play, alright?
What?
Just play.
Okay.
Yeah, Major.
What the? Hey. Yeah, that. You gotta go right there. Stop playing it. Oh, look at the hand. Look at it. Oh, there's nothing. Keep playing it. Get that. Take out all of them. Okay, I'm gonna kill him.
This bridge or something.
Where's he right there?
Right there, outside. Yep. There, right there. You ain't ready to die, you ain't ready to die, girl.
Okay, not right there? Where is it?
Sorry I stole your kill, man.
You good?
Oh shit, for real?
It's in the corner of behind the desk.
Oh, this guy ninja.
He died. Oh, he defused and he died. Hell no.
I do asterisks.
Oh, that's camp, bro. What the fuck? Damn. This guy's getting macaroni.
Oh, you lucky. He didn't get you right there.
Yeah. I don't know where he was looking.
No, you don't do lucky shit. Hey.
What? Bro! Why is it... Push up, soldier. That guy killed me.
Is that him or no?
Nope, that's him.
Nope.
You fucker.
They're in dining.
Ooh, you got him. Bro, what is this gun? Oh, this is the blunderbuss?
I don't know. It's almost like a battle rifle.
Ooh, fuck.
Oh, last one on him.
Above behind you.
What the fuck, bro? These ain't no BO6, nigga. Fuck!
Good try, good try.
No, bro, that motherfucker. I even have a mind, bro. That's stupid, bro. Like, alright, you know what? It's okay.
Couches.
Plan it on A. Plan it on A.
Only 3 people. The other 3 left.
Oh my god. Couches.
No. Where's my... What the fuck, bro? Woo! One more and we surround. Oh, it's just 2, bro. Why am I tripping, bro? It's just 3 now. That ugly ass LMG, bro. Damn. No, but I got 2 shotgun. Let me use it.
Oh, up top, bedroom.
Whoa, no way. That LMG, bro. 2 up. Fucking Scooby-Doo. What is it doing?
Maybe you have a fucked up controller. Bro. We do not deserve this. Oh, they're talking shit right now.
I made you repushing.
You guys see top A? Never mind.
He's trying to get me.
Alright, that's awesome. 6, 7, 8, 9, that's our kills. Bro, you crazy. Six, 7, 8, 9, cool. But my daddy's going crazy. I got 7. Yo, this multiplayer on MW3 is way better than the fucking stupid ass BO6. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
why
what
we're still playing.
I mean, I haven't tried it, so I don't know.
I mean, I'm good at the BO6 too, but to be honest, like this shit is way better than. It's way fun. The maps on that stupid ass shit, bro. Bro, you buy all that shit for playing the same shit back in the day when the motherfucker died playing it. The same year, the same map. Oh my god, they bring that bitch back. But I'm ready for next month because they're bringing the for dance back. I want to go to the airport. I want to go to the stadium. Ooh.
Yeah.
I want to go to the dam. You see that big ass dam on top of the mountain, bro? Bro.
We'll go to military, quarry,
yeah.
Man,
train station. Oh my god. Train station looking at.
They're pushing into this building.
That sounds like
Fuck, he got me. Right there in front of you.
What the fuck, bro? I'm late at shooting. I gotta switch my gun.
I'm cooked.
Alright, there's a full squad. Left side, right side, right side, right side.
Hey.
It's all good. It's all good. Oh, they're talking shit. Let me kill like one of them at their spawn.
Yeah, one guy got the
What? Damn, good, you got him. Right there, in the alley. No, soldier, look straight, alley, by the rubber can. There, he's coming to you. Two v two.
Yes, you son of a bitch.
1-2. Right there. 1v1. There. Good shit.
Good shit.
Oh, we got a platinum. Oh, carpet. Tryharders and carpet.
What? He got me.
Wee, this motherfucker, bro. The way he shoot is so fast. Yo, I swear to God, like I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. This motherfucker.
Got this, brother. 2-3. Did you get beef? Is beef dead? Yes, beef is dead. Oh, 1-3.
Oh, we're cooked.
Just call them all in the chat.
I don't even know this, but
oh, never mind. They already near.
Nah, we got it. That motherfucker.
I'm allergic to soap.
Is that the guy, bro? Is that the motherfucker?
The black guy.
The black gun goes. Motherfucker stupid. I know there's a white dude trying to talk shit.
Oh, nice two-piece, bro.
That's a snipe, bro. That's a dirty.
Oh, watch out.
Bro, that's some dirty move, bro. He's right on the corner where I die at. Watch out, right there.
Oh, damn, he's running to the video
right there,
store.
He's stunned. He's stunned again.
We got him. One left. 4-1. You seen him?
Where?
Right there.
Who's seen him?
Back at the video store.
You're not lying, are you?
I thought he was wearing a white cape. Oh, check alley.
Kill him.
Hey.
These guys are dookie. Video store. Oh, you got him. 5-3. Beef is still alive. Up top.
Bro, that car's already blown up. How the fuck it blew me up?
Oh, you blew yourself up? Ouch. Oh, right there. No.
Where'd he go? That was beef, huh?
No, someone else. I guess it's carpet or coffee shop.
31. He's back there. There he is.
Ruthless, bro.
You gotta bring those out.
Good peek, good peek.
Yeah, good thing.
Yeah.
Oh, we talking shit.
Oh, fuck. Left alleyway. Alleyway. Soldier, did you get him?
Someone else. I was gonna go back. Why?
3-4.
They're in... I think they're in the Planet Coffee Shop, yep.
Right there on your left. Ooh.
Kentucky.
14 kills. Does he have a juggernaut? I hope not.
Nah, he's been
Nah,
dead.
he's been dead.
Damn, he got good kills.
Wiki wiki. He's in carpet.
Bro, he's laying
Yo,
down.
this
Laying down on the
motherfucker,
balcony left side.
You see? Every time we're late to shoot him, bro.
He's fucking lag switching.
You know, somebody gotta shoot in the air like an auto clip, under clip. So his lag switching ain't gonna work. Let me do it. I'm gonna do it.
Damn.
Fuck you, you hear me? Die.
Two four. Soldier. 2-4, soldier. On your left, soldier. Right there, behind you. ¿Qué sé? Woo! Two, 3. On your right.
I don't know what the fuck to do, bro. Where's Socha?
Fucking, I don't know.
Oh,
AFK.
he's the top player, bro. What the hell? It's alright. I got 2 more kills to kick him out of the top level, alright. Where's the motherfucker that just pull up and kill everybody, bro? Look, I shoot a bro. What the fuck? See, bro. No, you're doing something, bro. I'm reporting the shit out of you.
What? Bro, I got
you,
hit
bro.
markers, bro. What the hell was that?
Oh, that was game.
I'm telling you,
man.
bro, that motherfucker doing something like, how the fuck every time we're late. My police was there flaming through the wall, but it didn't even die, bro. What the fuck?
Oh yeah. Okay. Major. What is this? Scan? They're scanning. Oh, this guy's at A. It's top roof. 2v3.
Coming back.
He should be right there.
Ooh. Oh my god, bro.
Head marker.
That pistol missed. I'm gonna kill that motherfucker go in the middle, bro. I don't wanna do that.
No, there's 2 of them bottom A. Yep, there should be 2 of them in there, brother.
Shoot.
2v2.
2v2, you said?
Yeah. Watch out. He should be over the counter.
You think so? Straight out. Ah! Dark Sayaga.
My super.
How many more? 2 more. Last guy.
Oh, this fucking mine, bro.
Just need one more for you.
Right in the middle.
Shit. I'm 1 hit. How many more? Oh, 2 more. Shit.
Heard him crack the door.
Ooh, he's using a BP? Mm-hmm.
Zombie. This will not be. Oh, thanks. What's that smell, bro?
You saw that up in the roof. One in our spawn. Yeah. I guess he's not going in our spawn. Wow. 3 more. It's just you.
Just me? Hey.
2.
Oh, I was gonna get him too. In our spawn. Lucky James.
Oh. Three more.
2, 3.
Damn, 2 people left. Oh my goodness. Joan.
Hey, you might want to shoot that. She's pinging you.
Damn.
Not on my streaks. I used them.
Oh, last guy.
That's all of them.
Yeah.
Oh, we talking shit.
I hear some up here on top. Rooftop.
He's by the bomb. Island boy. They're camping.
KFC. Baby, what the hell?
Oh man.
Leave me alone. Yeah.
Up top. Got him.
Yeah, he's crazy, bro. Yo, how the fuck we defend that shit? We try to run around trying to survive.
Damn, we did it.
I think we can do it.
Just play D. Kill as much first, yeah?
Yeah, we'll try to play B.
Just play defense first.
So what the? I ain't gonna say shit.
He's still up top.
Shoot.
You see that light beam? He's going mid.
Oh shit, I couldn't kill him. Where's that other guy?
He's over here.
Going from the other end. Ooh, he was right in front of me. He's right down that edge. Yeah, I didn't even see that guy, bro. I was in front of him. 1-2. Still there. Yep. He's still there. You can kill him and then start. There you go.
Wow. Some good shit right there, bro.
Mm.
Oh shit.
Come on, Mosquito.
Mosquito better be taking it. Oh, he's smart. He's smart. He's smart, bro.
Damn, and their high score is the 9. Okay. Go close the door. And off that light and on the other one.
That's scary.
He's playing the other one. And then on the
B06.
yeah. Hey, derail. Shit. Already came from our invasion. Go, hit derail, hit derail. Let's go, let's go. Come on, come on. Just one more.
Want me to reset?
Mm. Let me try snipe. Oh, let me try the other one, sniper one. Hey, we got a right shield.
What? He's on A.
Oh, there's still one more on the B side.
There's 3 more.
Who's still alive?
2, 3, 2, 3.
He's a right shield. Try and get him from the back. He's over here. Try and get him. Right shield. 2-2. Watch that mine there, fool. Good job. 9, 8, 7, 6,
Oh, too late.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Damn. Moving in too slow.
Dario from Poland.
Yo, it's right there.
Check the... what you call it? Tank?
Eesh. From behind me. Good shit.
What's the count?
2-2. Go, go. Right there. Right there, right there. You didn't see him?
No.
Oh, good.
Yeah, I was just standing on that cement. That sand pot. Damn. Ooh, ooh, ooh. From the tank. Oh, right on your left side. In that building. FSM. Yep. 3-4. And there was one shooting from the tank. That's why I was getting hit. One's on A, laying down, unless he moved.
Fucking mine, bro. You stupid. I thought so much on mine. You say easy.
Oh, same spot. Then there's one over there at the tank. Tank on B. 4-2. Two more, 4-2.
Oh, it's 4-2.
Can plant it. A's cleared, he's over here. Yeah, sniper's over there. He's going to the spot. Last guy.
I can hear him on the other side.
You confused him.
Oh, I know what you got. You got Turtle Beach, huh?
Damn, the fucking drone. Shoot the drone.
Oh, he's mid. I pinged it.
Yeah, he's probably gonna come up here. Just so knows about the sniping. Damn.
Nice cook. Behind you, bro.
What? One's gonna be on top. You got one. Shit. Gotta shoot that bitch down.
It's my tank again. Mid tank.
Mmm.
2v2.
The one was at that store on B side.
He's probably laying down. Oh no.
The hell is this guy doing, Carter? No, bro. You got sucky ass aim and go closer. Oh, damn. Same bitch again.
It's in our spawn?
Go kill him. Kill him, bro. Kill him. Kill him, kill him. Very mid. New pistol in the mid. Five more.
How much are in y'all?
What? Mid.
Yes. What the fuck am I AFK for? Devin, I got kicked out. Mic check. Yeah, I got kicked out.
Soldier, soldier.
It's okay.
Soldier, soldier.
Oh, yo.
We got kicked out.
Yep. Let me back it out.
No, you guys can finish it though. I'm still in the lock.
Yeah, we're getting ran through too. If we lose this, we out.
You guys don't play sniper?
4. Behind you. The wrong button.
Yeah, these guys are pretty alright.
Last round. That was pretty quick.
Yo, dude.
He's right in the mid. Squad.
Oh, you got a jug, bro. You got 2 jugs.
Squad.
Yikes.
Come on, play. Yes. I saw the pink up here. I saw the pink up here.
Oh, this is a good map. Hopefully those guys are not on our team. Oh, they left. Oh, yep. I'm gonna push. I'm pushing B. Push B hard.
Yeah, try to get A. No! Fell off. 3-4.
Where are you?
Trees.
This one. I tried to get them.
Two.
Yeah. And this one with the beans, with the chicken.
Poppy Hef is going to check the spawn. One.
I'm sorry. No.
He's top heli. Oh, that's it.
I got the quick the money.
Hey, there's Shaka's friend. Meow. No, it just says meow. That's why I think that's his friend.
Oh. Bunch of kitty cats. Zombie. Going mid. Last one.
What could it be?
Check heli. Or like...
Ooh. He's inside his spot.
Next one.
Mm-hmm.
I got all my streaks. Go.
There's 2 on A. Three. Looks like someone just cracked the glass. 2, 3. Two, 3. He's gonna continue the bomb.
B-bomb. Oh, it's just this guy. Olympus. Hey, where's 670? Corner.
That guy didn't know where it came from. That guy don't know how to shoot. Oof.
Go bottom again.
They're running in A. Last guy. Five one.
On our spawn.
Keep doing this. Like in front of his legs are hurting. It's not this way. So play that.
Looks like they're camping now.
North spawn.
Right side or left?
Right side. Right there, behind you. North spawn.
Hey, yep. In our spawn, on A side, our spawn.
Good call.
Shit, shoot that bitch down.
Damn, that sucks.
Come over here.
Still in their spawn. A side.
What's the house? In there.
Ooh, just when you're checking it.
You can just go down. No, there's no diamonds in here.
Damn.
See?
I made it. I made it. No, I have to.
Oh.
Laying right there. Oh, I thought he was inside that building. I thought I saw the candy guy. Heli.
You wanna top our spawn? He's in our spawn building right now.
Mm-hmm.
I thought he saw him, bro.
AM, how many months now? From the helipad.
7.
7? Dang.
Bro, that's crazy. No touch. Okay, no, make it. You want all of it done? Okay, go. No touch it.
Hold up, let me see.
Remember, no touch.
Got him. How many more? Oh, helipad. Helipad's the last guy. Right there. Go, 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 go. 7. Good shit. I get 2 seconds left.
It's gonna be my last. Get some Z's for it.
Same. It's almost 1.
I need to use my score streaks too. Oh. Most of them are under spawn.
Yeah.
Top heli?
What?
Oh, he's the helipad, our side, stairs. Yeah. One more.
Last one.
Right there. Bro, I didn't see him. Yo, check up after this.
Good game. We bounced two, boys.
Alright. Shoot. Yo, Jacob.
Yo, Gibson.
Do you have this too? That's what's up. Alright, they're gonna leave. They're done. Join me.
Who, me?
Yeah, join me. They're done. Alright, there it is. They're left.
You want me to leave?
No. They're gonna play.
Oh, I was gonna say, I'll back out.
Sniper in this shit.
How you been, brother? You said what?
They're gonna play custom in this shit.
Oh, yeah, you
Let me
fucking
see
dork.
what you got in this shit. Make your sniper, right?
I already have... What? I already have a sniper. Oh, we're on MW3. I already got a sniper.
What kind of sniper are you gonna use?
The stalker.
Alright. Well, I cannot even start it. What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck is... They thought these B06, bro. They act up. Alright, finally. Alright, we're gonna go to that
Shipment.
Alright, wait, I'm gonna put it on shipment.
And make sure you put on radar.
Nope, we don't play that shit.
Bro, it's a small enough map anyway, just put on radar.
Well, there you go, it's small. Why we need a radar for a small map?
You're such a pussy, bro.
You see it right there, bro. Why the fuck it is so small we gotta use a radar, bro?
Bro, just start the damn game.
Nah, hold up, bro. There's a couple shipment. I wanna use the right one. The colorful one. So you don't hide from me, sir.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants! Oh! From my eyes, boy, baby girl!
You ready?
Are you ready?
You ready to get smurfy in this shit? Don't be doing that shit. This is not BO6, bro. This is MW3, man. Oh my god. You see my gun turn you into a skeleton?
Yeah, did you see I didn't give a fuck?
What the fuck? You just stand there and wait for me, bro?
No, I seen you.
Oh,
your gun sucks.
Shit. Are you sure?
Yeah, I gotta pick your gun up.
Oh my god.
Try to silent shot you.
Might be sure. So. Oh, bro.
Get off the head glitch, you pussy. Head glitching pussy.
Oh, you can shoot twice like that, bro. How the fuck?
It's called a rechamber.
Get out of here.
You're a pussy. Shut up. Shut up.
What? Oh, alright.
Nah, I tried to no scope. I don't know why I jumped that though.
You better know next time. Oh, no.
Ah, I gotta reload.
Hey,
You pussy.
What do I do? What the fuck? That's a knife. Hey, put a knife, alright?
Oh, you pussy.
Oh, alright, there you go. There you go, I see you, bro. Oh, you see me too? What the fuck?
Well, I told you, I'm nice at this game, bro.
What? Ain't no way.
I'm nice, bro. You said let me watch this. I'm dead.
No, I'm not saying watch it. Let me fix my setting. Nigga, I ain't gonna watch it, bro. You tripping, bro.
I try to silent shot you again.
Try. That's what I thought. What the fuck? You scared, bro? You just stand there.
You're always on a head glitch. What do you mean? Get out of here. I'm gonna throw a knife at you. I almost hit you. I didn't rechamber.
What the
Outta here.
fuck, bro? That's crazy. Oh, I was looking. What? Did you fire me, bro? Oh. Yeah, that's kind of like a fire, bro. You want a fire, bro? Oh my god, I cannot, bro.
I told you, bro. I'm good at sniping now.
Let me throwing that shit
You
on
have
me.
10 of them? Jesus.
Alright, let me switch it, bro. Kill me. Alright.
No, you're good. You're good.
I'm gonna put
You're
a
good. I don't
knife.
care. No. I don't care. You're good. I promise. You're good. That's fun. Oh. Alright, well, tell me when you're back.
I'm back already. Don't trip. Where are you, bro? I'm ready to shoot.
Alright, I'm back. Sorry, I was texting my girl, bro. Damn, I can't text nobody? It's against the law now?
No.
Why are you AFK?
Well, I'm trying to fix
Oh,
something.
what are you doing, you big head? You motherfucker.
What
Bitch.
the fuck? Let me think that shit.
I try to
bro.
blow that at you. What?
Don't be doing that shit. Hey.
Shut up.
Oh, dude. Alright, that's a nice shot. I ain't gonna lie. Sit down. Oh, bro. This is not my gun, bro. My gun is Scar 90. Get the hell out.
You said what?
I said my gun is Scar 90. Oh, bro. Oh, I should have thrown that knife, bro. You dirty son of a gun.
Dirty son of a gun is crazy.
Where are you, bro? You out here on me, cool? Oh my god. Where you going, bro?
Grrr. You're just waiting for me? Crazy.
What the freak, bro?
Yeah, I'm good at this game, brother. I'm good at this game. I'm better at this game than Black Ops 6, brother.
Don't make me finish you, bro. Yeah.
No, I hit you in the forehead. You pussy. No, I'm gonna lay down.
Oh my god.
fuck?
Yeah, watch out, bro. The comeback is crazy. What you know about rolling down in the street?
His brain goes numb.
No, bro. What the fuck you
No,
talking
Skip.
my hell with? Sit down. Oh,
You motherfucker! I gave you a BBL. Threw that shit at your butt. Motherfucker, you don't want to be. You don't want this war, bro. I do this shit in gun game all the time, brother.
Are you sure?
Oh shit! They didn't let me throw it.
What?
Get out of here.
That should be a heat, man. That's great. Get the hell
No,
down.
you pussy. Give me that back. No, I was snaking.
Yeah, I thought you threw that shit, bro.
Nope. Why are you always at a hindrance?
What the fuck? Oh my god.
You pussy.
No!
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 Ha
Why
ha.
you ran away from me, bro? You ran away, bro.
I had no more
You
ammo.
ran away,
I mean,
bro.
I didn't have no more tall knives, so it wouldn't let me pick them up.
Oh my god, I'm so slow on aim down.
Shot you in the kneecap, bro.
Loaded, bro. Oh no!
You just knifed?
What
You pussy.
the hell? Why are you
Boy.
doing this, bro? Alright, there you go.
Got you scared.
Yeah, I got scared.
This bitch fell asleep on the phone. Wake up, baby.
No!
Oh! Ah, you cannot. Here, kill me. I'm in mid. I'm in mid. Alright.
Now you do that, bro.
Well, I accidentally knifed you. That's why I let you have the kill.
Why, man? That's bad. No, bro. I turned so damn slow. That's some crazy shit. Where are you now?
Where are you at, bro? I just ran around the map 3 times.
Me too. So that's me. We're circling together.
No way, that missed.
No, sometimes it is. What the? Oh, you on that William knife, man, bro?
How about I'm back. Get away from me.
No! No way, that's a fake. What the fuck, bro? I'm targeting. Yo, hell no, this guy's. Oh, he doesn't even scope, bro. What the freak?
You said what?
I said he doesn't even scope.
Yeah, dude, I have scope.
No, I'm saying he fire. I'm gonna try that. I'm pretty accurate on it.
I'm back.
Oh shit. Ain't no way, bro. Motherfucker, I shoot, nigga.
He said, motherfucker, I shoot!
You know what? I'm gonna find out right now.
Why are you AFK, bro?
I'm trying to find out something in my city. That's why, bro. That's the reason why, bro.
What happened?
No, I'm using Black Ops instead of Standard.
Oh, the controller?
Mm-hmm.
Silly. Silly Willy!
Are you sure? Come on, bro. Are you serious, bro? That's crazy as fuck.
3, 2, 1, let's go! I'm right beside you.
Look, I cannot shit like he's fucking with me, bro. He's stupid shit. He's fucking. What the fuck?
3, 2, 1. Ah.
What the fuck? Whoa. I fucked it up. Maybe something on graphic? No, everything is good, bro. Protected people.
She said, I want to put your kids inside me. Yo, she tripping.
No, you tripping fucking with that girl.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna nut in her too. My baby mama now.
What? No way, bro. That's my kill. Don't be following me, 8-shot. Can it spin? No way.
GG, baby! GG, baby! I do this shit!
I'm gonna fix my setting right now. I'm coming back on you.
Whoa, buddy, chill. You call this bitch back, bro. Better answer,
Wait,
I'ma
you
cry.
use a scope too? Bro, you using a scope?
I'm using the regular scope. The default.
Oh. Well,
I'm using the default scope. Yeah, it's the default scope. This bitch is phoned up, bro. Damn, you running it back, bro? Damn, I wanna play zombies, man, on Black Ops 6, man. Shit.
No, we're gonna run it back, cool. Trip. We're gonna play next. The other stuff. Not zombie, like crazy.
Playing with? She's from Louisville, bro.
Ooh.
You hear me? That Nazi girl that we was playing with, she's from Louisville. She's sexy as shit.
Are you serious?
Yeah, she we know each other. We didn't know we knew each other, but yeah, we know each other kinda. We live in the same we lived in the same neighborhood.
What the fuck? That's crazy.
I'm about to show you a picture of her, bro. Like, your girl ain't gonna be tripping if I send you a picture of her, or is she?
You're gonna be alright.
I'll just show you at work. How about that? Yeah, she's sexy as shit, yo. She's 5'1", bro, with a fat ass.
Alone. That's a loner?
You said what?
That's a loner?
What do you mean?
You don't know what is loner, bro?
What's a loner, bro? What the fuck is that? Is she alone?
Only.
Is it Henri? Is that what you're saying?
Come on, bro. We need a squad so we can play search and destroy.
No, we don't need a squad, bro. Come on, let's just play together.
Well, I'm murking you. Yeah.
You ain't gonna merc shit. Watch, I'm about to come back right now. Get off the head glitch, bro. Get off the head glitch!
Yo, I just spin, bro. Ain't no hate glitch. Yo, bro, that shot I keep missing, like, I don't do that. Yo, what the fuck? I'm about to knife you, bro. Just like
What? Yo, come on.
No!
I thought you were shitting on me.
You gotta get ready, Dad. No way, bro. That is way too fast.
Who, me?
Oh, that's dirty as fuck.
Did you 360? I'm watching it.
No, it's not.
Oh, you just jumped. Nice shot, though. That wasn't a good shot. That was a good shot.
Where the hell are you now?
I'm running around the map. I'm gonna just stop right here on the head glitch.
Yeah, I guess we're just running each other. What? That's crazy, bro. Oh my god, I should have just knifed you, bro.
Only because you can't snipe me. No, I'm just saying.
You just knifed me. You talking about you just and you gonna meet? Oh! Oh my
I 180'd.
God,
I 180'd you. I 180'd you.
Yeah, I ran straight to it.
I 180'd you.
You're gonna want to 180. Oh shit!
I 180'd you. Oh shit! Hold on.
Let me sure.
Stop.
What the fuck is this?
I just barrel stuffed the shit out of you.
How you doing? How you going?
She said she's on to sleep, but she loves me seriously. What the fuck?
You are going too crazy on that bullshit you're on right now.
Oh, that almost hit you.
Yeah, right. That's what they say, almost. Hey! Oh my god, bro, I was waiting for you. Yeah, you thought.
Yeah, you thought.
Yeah, you thought. It's fucking me. Ain't no way, bro. No, bro. Yeah, I got something for you, bro.
Ah! Yo, you see how fast the score turned?
No way. I was too worried about my shit. Got a load there.
No!
Yes.
You know what? Give me that back. You're dead.
No!
You know what? You're dead.
No, my God.
Yay, you know what? You know what? You know what? You know what? You're dead.
No, I got
Hey, you know what? 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 You're dead.
No way.
You're dead. Oh, I missed. You're dead.
What the fuck? Why am I moving so slow, bro?
Hey. Gibson. Gibson, turn around! No, I'm just playing.
No! Alright, something wrong. I gotta fix it. Fuck that.
Alright, I'm pulling out the sniper gun. I felt like a loser doing that. I'm not gonna lie.
No, it's alright.
Are you AFK?
Mm-hmm.
Jesus.
Let me use 85.
There's a pallet jack right here.
Alright, I'm ready.
Gibson, I found your pallet jack. Yeah, I found your pallet jack.
I'm ready.
No, I almost. If I would have shot, I think I would have hit that low key.
No way, I'm too slow in shooting.
Oh!
Ain't no way, bro. Oh my god, this gun is so fucking... Oh, what the...
Ooh, look who remembered how to snipe! Ooh.
Oh my god.
Oh! Ow! Why are you doing that? Stop playing with me! Stop it! Where'd you go? Ah! Stop! I bet. No! Cheater. I try to run away.
Got it, bro. Yeah, that's stupid. What? Hey,
no, I try to assassinate. I'm in mid, kill me.
Yo, bro.
Try to assassinate, bro.
I know I'm just... You just fast to me. That's how it is.
No, it's not. See, like, you turn your head too fast, y'all. You're not gonna freak off that. Fuck that.
Because I know you're gonna try.
No, I was behind you! Fuck out of here, bro. I was behind you.
Oh no.
No!
Come back, baby.
Absolutely not. Shut down right here. Ah!
No! Yo, I keep doing that. Like, stop doing that. Oh shit! All right, do it again, bro. Do it again. That's it.
I hit you.
Do it again.
No. 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 Alright, you're dead. 3, 2, 1. Ah, man.
No!
Here.
I see you died too, fuck. What? Yo, that's Scaparoni as well. No! The way I turn on the side is too slow.
No!
That.
That almost hit you. If I would have a millisecond, yo.
No!
No! Just kill me, I'm in mid.
No, bro.
Kill me!
Oh, that's a 360 then. No way still there, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Damn! I told you I'm good at MW3 though.
No, we gotta use the marksman, bro.
The marksman? That's not even sniping.
Man, we gotta use. Man, that's what I use, bro.
That's not a marksman. That's not a sniper though.
I mean, that's a sniper, bro.
No, it's a marksman. Play hardcore, man. Come on. I gotta get prestige 10. Come on, man. Oh.
Alright, you don't want marksman. You don't want marksman.
No, we can do marksman later though.
Hey, where's my phone? We use my phone.
More people need to know how to do a reverse phone lookup with Intellius.
Booker. Hey, I'm unbanned. I don't have to change my date. I'm happy about that.
You unbanned?
Yo, Nicole, you gonna let me eat your butt, like, straight from the back, you heard me?
You stupid as fuck, motherfucker.
You hear that?
Yes, I heard that
You heard?
shit.
Hi, baby. I miss you.
Now you fucking with her too much.
I love you. Nicole, like, you don't understand. I want to eat your butt. Like,
Who's Nicole?
bro, wake your hungover ass up and talk to me. I know you miss me. I'm about to eat a.
I'd name you Turtle. Yeah, well he's
I'm eating a Reese cup, wishing it was your butt. You gotta say let's play hardcore. You over putting us in Battle Royale.
Damn.
All stations, green light. We're deploying to the war zone.
So stupid. Call me. I'm on Warzone right now, but call me.
Alright, let's get it. Yo.
Bitch, call me. I miss you.
Resurgence. Stay alive.
The fuck is bitch, bro? Let's go, Miss Apple Dropper.
Team leader.
You dropping shit. You gonna get 2 bodies. 2-6 mode. Whoa, that lag. You're a fucking faggot. You didn't even kill me, you fucking queer. The lag is terrible. I hate playing this fucking map.
Get ready. You're redeploying. You have reinforcements inbound. Enemy dropping into the AR. Go get your revenge. Enemy counter UAV inbound. Enemy UAV inbound. Enemy soldier incoming. We've got gas moving in.
Ah!
Target down. Marking the rest of the hostile UAV in the area.
Yo, that's stupid as fuck.
They've got a SAM turret online. Friendly loadout drops on the way. You're back on the station. Go get after it.
No, it's lag.
Squad mate left the AR. Will reduce your redeployment time. Deployed. Well done. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work. Enemy precision airstrike. Find cover. Enemy UAV is online. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy's got a sentry online. Enemy UAV is online. Get your squad to the safe zone. No one behind. You've got a loadout drop inbound. Enemy dropping into the AR.
Come on.
Last round.
Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced. Resurgence is about to end. Make it count. High value target located. Bring them down. Fire sale's done. Place the back. We're returning to the front. Earn this. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Resurgence is close. No more second chances. Supply crates have been restocked.
What?
Load up. Return to base for debrief.
Yeah, no, I can't.
Why is he doing that? We're for fun. He likes him.